Starting off this second day of September, coming up on Labor Day weekend with a very, very nice build. This Vulcan 810 auto grip loader snatch truck, single line, is in stock and available. I could tell you how long we've been waiting on this truck, but everybody's a naysayer, so I won't even mention the year plus that it took for this truck to come in. No fault of anybody directly, other than everybody involved at every step of the way, between Ram, the body companies, the PTO companies, everybody that has anything to do with the truck, unfortunately has struggles. We're not saying somebody couldn't get one faster, but we're also not saying that we don't get trucks in 2 and 3 a day and see the struggle firsthand, and as well as do deposits and prepay for lots of them. So it's not about the money. Money will not make it happen any faster. This truck we did spec out a little better than normal, and we would not sacrifice, so that also could have been part of the delay. Full chrome appearance package, fog lights, SLT trim, alloy wheels, oversized side steps, diamond plated, strobe light bar. We also even did the diamond plate wear panel areas so that every time you drop your chain against the truck, it's not beating up the body, as well as the shackles. In the ditch, dollies. Vulcan 810, Miller build, crew cab, light bar, straps, everything you need to put the truck to work immediately. Still wrapped in plastic. All of your harnesses, all of your controls, your Mopar cold weather package. Some people don't think that's necessary, but they also don't realize some of these trucks go to Alaska and other areas where it is necessary. Rear view camera, push button switches, aux controls, push to start, remote entry, key fob, all your paperwork, all your manuals. 300 miles on this Cummins turbo diesel. Loaded Ram 5500 in stock, really here, really available. There you go. Paperwork in hand. If you need financing, we got what's necessary to send to your bank or credit union or commercial lender. It is the only crew cab snatch wrecker we currently have. We do have Ram rollbacks. Several more behind those. Several more coming. Most of the color choices are going to be white or black. I think we only have one red, and all the colored units are sold. Commercial pickups, luxury vehicles, all of our normal inventory as well. Don't miss out on this Ram. It is here, finally, after forever. Thanks for watching.